guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sanchi and today I am going to make a pencil holder. So let's get started. So we need like a plastic cup container, Fevistick, glitter, some decorative things like this, colorful paper, pen, scissor, scale and a decorative lace. So we need a cup, the container and the colorful paper. So open the paper and cut the size of the container. So I have cut the size of the cup and stick it on. So we need now the ribbon, pen, scissor and the glue. So take the ribbon and mark the size of it. Okay, so I have done it. You can see it's looking so beautiful. Now next we need the sprinkle and the decorative things. So cut it line by line like this. Like this and line by line you stick like this with the ribbon. So I am done with my design and decoration. You can see with my glitter tool. You can see here is glitter, flower, everything is here. It's looking so beautiful. Yeah. Now we are almost done. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like and click the bell button. So thank you for watching this video.